you still recording?
Yep.
Alright, there's the other crescendo that was hiding.
Ready to take this off?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. See if you can. Okay, let's...
Like working on a car.
Alright, 2 screws.
You want me to do that part?
Nope, I got it. Yeah, just turn that out. And this one, there it is.
I'm holding it up.
Okay, just hold the stack in place.
Yep.
Until it comes all the way out. Now, one other thing I forgot is this hose right here needs to come out.
Well, we can get at it now.
Okay, can you pull it?
I betcha.
Wiggle it back and forth.
It's coming.
Okay, great. Right, unplug the plug there. Now, what's the tag? Camera's up in the stack. I'm not ready to pull the stack completely.
Is it free?
It's out. Yeah.
Here, hold this for him.
Yeah. Okay.
This video.
Alright, this is the Ampico decks, and some people have recently been complaining about leakage at this end. Number one thing is there's a machine screw here that bolts this whole thing together. Actually, here's the head, and it bolts all the way up. And then tightening that should stop leakage from the seams. That's gasketed. But you see this little polygon here? That closes the supply channel in deck 1, deck 2, and you can't see deck 3. But when you rebuild it, you have to sand this off, make sure that block is glued in, re-glue it if possible, and no matter what, definitely cover this section, that section, and that section with motor cloth to prevent leaks in the future.